Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Matters. You need to do a lot of practice with these numbers and like these numbers for mastery this trick after learning from my video. So let's get into the video. Thank you. Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about magical calculation, multiplication. How to multiply within seconds two numbers between 10 and 20. Suppose we have two numbers 12, 14. Okay. So one thing हमें जानना है कि ये जो दो नंबर हैं इनका बेस क्या है। बेस 10 है क्योंकि ये इनके नजदीक है, तो ये हमें रिमेंबर रखना है कि इनका बेस 10 है। ठीक है, अब क्या करना है, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस यहां लिखना है +2, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस +4। नाउ ऑल थिंग टू डू इज वी डिवाइड this as a second part, this as a first part. Now in second part all thing we have to do is this is differences, just multiply 4 and 2, 4 into 2, and first part we need to add 12 and 4 difference in second number, or we can also do like add 14 to the difference in first number. So in first part we can do 12 plus 4 or 14 plus 2, then here we get 16, here we get 8, and this is our answer 168. Let's see with another examples like 18 multiplied by 19. This number is nearer to 10. This is our base. Now difference between 18 and 10 plus 8, difference between 19 and 10 9. In second part we have to multiply both the number, 9 8 72, and in first part we just need to add 18 with 9, or we can add 19 plus 8. So in this way we'll get 18 plus 9, that is 27, 27 72. But here comes one rule. Always remember, in second part the number of digits in second part equals to the number of 0 in base. Here base is 10 and number of 0 is 1, so this 7, there must be one digit, not two digit, but here we have two digit. So what will we do, इस 7 को उठाकर इनको दे देंगे, कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा। Then when 7 carry forward to first part 27, then it becomes 27 plus 7, and we will have with 2. Then we'll add up these two numbers, then we'll get 34 2. This will be our answer. So always remember, this is rule number 1. Okay, this is very important. Now coming to the let's talk about when we have base 100. Okay, so what will we do, how to multiply, this is our how to multiply within second number nearer to power of 10. So here comes 100. This is our base when we have 112,108. So we have to multiply these two numbers, and obvious these two numbers are nearer to 100, so this will be our base. So what will you do? Again, difference between these two, 12 plus 12, and difference between this will get plus 8. Again, second part, first part. Now multiply these two numbers, 12 8 ja, and add 112 plus 8 or 108 plus 12, then we will get 120. Now here the number of 0 is 2 in our base. Okay, 12 8 ja 96, here is 120. Here the number of digit is 2, number of 0 in base is 2, so rule number 1 is satisfied. So our answer will be 12096. Now see another example. Suppose, what if one number is less than 100 and another number is greater than 100? तब क्या होगा? Like 92 and 108. Here also our base will be 100. Why? Because these two numbers are nearer to 100. Here difference between these two numbers minus 8, and here plus 2. Now again, second part, first part. Multiply these two numbers, we will get minus 16. Add 92 plus 2 or add 102 minus 8, then we will get 94. Now here comes rule number 2. The number in second part must be positive, but here we get negative number. So what will you do? We will borrow 1 from first part. Then here our base is 100, number of 0 is 2. Then when will you borrow from first part, then 20 automatically comes over here. Okay, so now what happened is, subtract, add these two numbers 100 and minus 16, and then you will get 94, 84. No, here minus 1 we have to subtract because we have borrowed one number from first part. Okay, and here we will get 100. So here it becomes 9384, and this is our answer. Hope it is useful, beneficial for all of you. Now coming to the next, what if both the numbers are less than 100? Then what will happen? See, this is swept on E. Suppose we have 92 and 88. So again here we have 100 is the base. Why? Because these two numbers are nearer to 100. Difference between two numbers minus 8, and here minus 12. Now again first part and second part. Again multiply these two numbers, we will get 96. And in first part we'll add these two numbers, 92 minus 12, then we'll get 80. Or we can also add these two numbers, 88 minus 8, we'll get 80. Now the number of 0 is 2, number of digit in second part is 2, so we'll have 8096 will be our answer. Here rule number 1 is satisfied. Here also you can see our rule number 1 is satisfied because here number of 0 in base is 2, and here we comes after subtraction, 84 after borrowing from first part. So here rule number 1 is also satisfied. This will be our answer. Now what if we have 10, suppose 1012 multiplied by 1002. Now how will proceed this? Here our base is, tell me, 1000, not 100, because these two numbers are nearer to 1000. Now Difference between these two, 12 plus 12, here plus 2. Now what will you do? We will make again second part here, first part here. Now multiply these two numbers, 12 and 2 will get 24. And first part, add up these two numbers, 1012 plus 2, or we can add 1002 plus 12, then we'll get 1014. Okay, now here comes rule number 1. Always remember, number of zeros in base 1, 2, 3 should be equal to the number of digits in second part. Here we only have 2 digits, so we'll add 1 0 before 24. Okay, and we'll get 1014024 will be our answer. Hope you like this video. Thank you. This is for today. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में कुछ अनदर मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्किल्स के साथ. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, टेक केयर.